んにちは。
こんにちは。
なにです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。文法語では教科書通りではなく、本当に使える日本語を勉強します。
Today is JLPT N4. No, it's not. Today is JLPT N5 and the grammar point is...
つもり。
The translation of つもり in English is intend to do. So you use it when you're saying, I plan to do this, I intend to do this, or I planned to do this, but something happened. 例えば、明日はシネマに行くつもりです。今日はシネマに行くつもりでしたが、お金がないから行けなかった。I think that's simple enough to understand. But I've read some example sentences where people say to other people, あ、これするつもり? Asking someone else, oh, do you plan to do that? Or do you intend to do that? And in English, it can sound a bit like, are you planning on doing that? Because you shouldn't, kind of nuance. Like, are you planning on, you're going to the cinema tomorrow? But what kind of nuance does it have if you ask someone else, 明日シネマ行くつもり?
But like before answering to your question, simply, つもり has two meanings. And the first one is what you said.What you explained.
Yeah.
I intended to do something, but it failed. Or like it goes wrong. Or it goes to the direction which I didn't expect. みたいな感じ。But like second one is just I planned. The first example is like 明日シネマに行くつもりだったけれど予定が変わりました。みたいな感じ。But second one is just say あ、明日メールするつもりです。I'm just planning. I will email.Tomorrow, みたいな。So like there are just simply two ways of using this つもりだ。But the problem is if you use or express what other people doing something. 例えば especially in question form. それするつもり? It means like actually are you going to do it? But you shouldn't.
So it's the same as English then? So you shouldn't ask somebody...using つもり. Are you planning to do that? Because it kind of comes as across like you're judging them. Like, oh, you really want to do that? But can you ever use it in like a nice way? Like, 例えばパーティーがあるで you're asking someone if they're going 明日B さんのパーティー行くつもり?
Yeah.
Or is there still that nuance?
Grammatically you can use it, but I prefer 明日パーティーに来る予定? For example, in line conversation, like WhatsApp conversation, I can say to my close friends, like, 明日何時に来るつもり?
Okay.
Yeah, because like we know it doesn't sound rude because we are close. But I rather use 明日何時に来る予定?
Okay. So it's safer to use 予定. So when are you scheduled to? Okay. And how about if you're in the business setting and...As you said, someone asks you like, この種類はいつ終わりますか? とか. And you say, oh, 明日終わるつもりです. Can you say in business, oh, I'm planning on finishing it tomorrow? Or is that kind of like not appropriate? Because you should just say, 明日は終わります. It
doesn't sound super inappropriate. So you can use it, but it sounds a bit childish.Okay. I think. So I think it's safer. You use 明日書類を提出する予定です。しようと思っています。
なるほど。ありがとうございます。
アメリカに行くつもりです。東京に行くつもりでしたが、天気が悪いから行きませんでした。何時に来る予定ですか？